Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for Charleston Harbor, coastal waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from South Santee River to Edisto Beach, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles, waters from South Santee River, South Carolina to Edisto Beach, South Carolina, extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northwest of South Santee River entrance to 9 nautical miles northwest of St. Helena Sound, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Y-73 Reef, Capers Reef, Crab Bank, Charleston Harbor Entrance, Bull Breakers, Edisto Offshore Reef, Air Force Reef, Comanche Reef, Kiowa Reef, Hector Reef, Charleston Coastal Anglers, Charleston 60, Rattlesnake Shoal, Capers Island Buoy, Joe Shuford Reef, Bulls Bay, Castle Pinckney, Charleston Nearshore Reef, Capers Midshelf, Jimmy Leland Tug. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.